Difference between maybe and maybe. What's the difference between maybe and maybe? Maybe versus maybe. Maybe is a single word. It's an adverb which means perhaps or possibly. Maybe usually comes at the beginning of a sentence before the subject and verb. Let's understand this by taking some examples. Maybe he will come tomorrow. Maybe it will rain tonight. Maybe she is in the office now. Maybe I will see you soon. The common structure of using maybe as an adverb is maybe plus subject plus verb plus the rest of the sentence. Have a look at the conversation below. Joseph, Mike knows everything. Jonathan, maybe let's take another conversation. Tom, Jane was absent from class today. John, maybe she is tired of yesterday's long journey. On the other hand, maybe is a verb phrase consisting of two different words, may and be, where may is a modal verb used to express a possibility, and be is the main verb. Thus, may be indicates or express possibility. Let's understand this by taking some examples. She may be waiting for you. This may be the best playground in the city. He may be absent tomorrow. This may be her first meeting with Jack. More examples using maybe and maybe. Maybe our meeting will be postponed until our boss returns. Here, maybe means perhaps or possibility. Maybe he will stop crying soon. Perhaps he will stop crying soon. He may be, might be creative, or may be he is creative. Our boss was sick yesterday, so he maybe, might be absent from work today. Don't call Tom. He may be at work, or don't call him. Maybe he's at work.